rose slightly this past week after 7 consecutive weeks of lower rates. The average rate on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage was 6.65%, up from 6.63% last week. It's Friday, March 21st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Despite this minor bump, rates are still at their lowest levels of the year, and if they continue to fall, could help buyer optimism for the spring housing market. Inventory continues to climb with 1,954 homes hitting since last report, a rise of 4.4%. 1,555 homes are coming soon, a rise of 6%. Buyer showing activity has dipped in many areas of Maryland. Southern Maryland actually is up in showing activity, not just from last week, but from last year this same time. 1,638 homes went under contract, going under contract in 11 days, a rise in new contracts over last report. 982 homes sold this report in 13 days at 100% list to sold ratio. What's this data mean to you? If you are a buyer, you have more homes to view, but homes are going relatively quickly and at list price. So you want to make sure that you make a decision quickly and put in your best offer right away. If you are a seller, the slower activity of buyers means you want to attract the most and the best right out of the gate. Get your home in the absolutely best condition possible and price it well. These two strategies will avoid you lingering on the market. If you're renting, you'll pay about $2,400 per month. Maryland currently has 2,543 homes for lease, which has dropped slightly week over week. That's your weekly wrap for the Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 21st, 2025. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.